Many people, mainly gamers online, places like GameJolt or various sites like Newgrounds and other gaming web-centric sites have been very worried about the recent change in Chrome's standards via their new or latest set of versions at the time of filming this, since they disabled use of the Unity WebPlayer. Now, if you don't know, the Unity WebPlayer is basically a platform for web browser-based games where people can actually just, instead of downloading the game to their computer, they can just play in the browser. And the reason for this is because Unity WebPlayer utilizes the NPAPI API, well, the NPAPI, whatever, which is basically a really old, obsolete standard that many new age top dog developers no longer really appreciate, and because of that, there's a giant loss in terms of the gaming capabilities of web-based games via the Chrome web browser. And we're going to show you how to enable a particular flag that will allow you to play Unity web-based games. Now, despite that long introduction, my name is Zen, coming from Essence of Zen. You're watching Sudo Up, the Chrome Zone. Stay tuned. So before we go ahead and jump in and do the flag enabling for the Google Chrome web browser, we're actually going to log on to GameJolt and actually bring up a particular Unity web-based game. It's going to be a very random one, so if any one of you guys want to try whatever game we pull up, by all means tell them that we sent you, because I don't know, just for the fun of it. But we're actually going to go ahead and star wipe into the computer recording. So we're now over on the desktop. If you're curious how do we get here, or curious about this page at all, then be sure to watch our previous video about the introduction to Chrome's flags over here. And I'll also be sure, if you're on mobile devices, we have a little white icon with an eye on it, so you can click that and then press the button to click the video about explaining these things. Only if you're interested in the Chrome flags. If not, don't worry about it. It's totally fine. It's fine. It's fine. Now, remember, as I stated in the on-camera portion of the video, did you star wipe? You're fired if you didn't start. And we want to utilize the NPAPI, and that's what we're going to enable for this particular browser. So instead of actually going through, and it's actually in alphabetical order, isn't it? So yeah. But if you're still kind of obsessed with the bunch of things that says enable or disable, etc., all you gotta do is do Control F and then type in NPAPI. And this what right here is enables the use of NPAPI plugins. This flag will be removed in Chrome 45 along with NPAPI support, g.co/ blah 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 blah, for information about this. So keep in mind, this flag will be removed eventually, but until now, if you're watching this within the time of recording, just go ahead and enable this, and then you'll get this image down here that says your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Google Chrome. So before we relaunch this, let's show you exactly what you'll see when you try to play a Unity web-based game. So we brought up a basic web-based game made with Unity, I do believe. Yes, engine language Unity. So when we try to play this, we should be encountering a message that says can't play this, yada yada yada. Wait for the ad to finish. Okay, so the Unity WebPlayer currently does not work on your system. This makes us terribly sad. Maybe Unity will become fully cross-platform in the future. Until then, you can always pressure them until they cave in. Sorry, Chrome can't run this app, blah, 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 blah. It tells you how to enable the NPAPI plugins, etc. But it also tells you that you can run Internet Explorer, no, Firefox, or Opera, or as I like to call it, Opera. I don't know why. Again, I tried Firefox earlier, and I ran into a very similar issue, except it wasn't this image. It was basically just saying, well, basically sound only with blankness. And I'm not sure if that's basically because of the GameJolt's new version of their website, or if Firefox is doing something weird with the NPAPI plugin as well. Regardless of which, we just scoot on over to the Chrome flags. So once you're ready and you've already enabled, click the enable button down here. It'll tell you to relaunch now. Just go ahead and click relaunch now, and it'll take a little bit to reload Chrome because it's applying the settings, and then we should be able to play Virus, the Game Jolt game thing. Okay, so if we look down at enable NPAPI, we'll see that it is indeed enabled. So we're gonna run over to the Virus. That sounds weird. Run over to the Virus, the video game called Virus, over on Game Jolt, and we're gonna try playing it. We will wait till the ad is done, and this site uses a plugin, Unity Player, that will soon be unsupported, and you can learn more over here and read about it, etc. Okay, so the game is loaded. It's so far working. English language, single player. Human. Start. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. It's okay. So it's okay. Whatever. Case closed. Anyway, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for how to enable Unity-based games in the Google Chrome browser. My name has been Zona, coming from the Essence of Zen. You have been watching Sudo Up the Chrome Zone. So if you want to see more about this, feel free to subscribe and tell your friends and share it. Follow me on Twitter over at Zenokami. If you have any questions about Chrome's, the flags, more about the browser, the Unity-based video games, etc., leave them in the comments below. So like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. If you disliked it, please let us know why, so we can better improve on these videos in the future. That's very important. So yes, please be sure to let us know why. That's very important. And I'll see you in the next video. But until then, as always, I need you all to indeedly do take care.
March winds and April showers make way for sweet May flowers, and